everyone! I have something exciting to share with you. Every Sunday morning at 7 a.m., I'll be dropping exclusive videos on YouTube. You won't want to miss these. From tips and tricks to fun challenges, there's something for everyone. Set your alarms and join me. Let's make Sunday mornings our special time together. See you bright and early. Let's dive into some fascinating psychology facts that reveal how our minds work. Did you know that we form first impressions in less than 7 seconds? That's right. Our brains quickly judge others based on facial expressions and tone of voice. And here's a fun one. Smiling, even if it's fake, can actually boost your mood. Your brain releases happiness chemicals like dopamine when you smile. Also, body language is key. In fact, about 70% of our communication is nonverbal. Gestures, eye contact, and posture say so much more than words ever could. Understanding these facts can help us navigate our interactions better. So, what psychology fact surprised you the most? Did you know that when you really like someone, you might start mirroring their movements without even realizing it? It's a subconscious way of showing comfort and connection. And here's something else. The more decisions you make in a day, the harder they become. This phenomenon is called decision fatigue, and it can make even simple choices feel overwhelming. These facts remind us that much of our behavior is automatic, driven by instincts we've developed over thousands of years. Now, let's dive into the mysterious world of dreams. Everyone dreams, even if they don't remember it. On average, we have 3 to 6 dreams each night, but we forget about 90% of them almost immediately after waking up.
Did you know that dreams can spark creativity? Many artists and inventors have found their best ideas in dreams. Think about it. The sewing machine and some iconic songs were born from dream inspiration. Then there are nightmares, which help us confront our fears. Psychologists say these scary dreams let our brains process anxiety. They prepare us for real-life challenges we might face. Ever tried reading in a dream? Good luck with that. The logic part of your brain is asleep, so text and numbers get all blurry. But here's something cool. Lucid dreaming is a real thing. In this state, you can actually become aware that you're dreaming. Sometimes you can even control what happens next. Dreams truly showcase the power and creativity of our minds. They turn our thoughts and emotions into stories every single night.
Let's dive into the fascinating world of psychology. It uncovers the hidden workings of our minds. Our behaviors and dreams are complex. They're not random. They reveal our underlying thoughts and emotions. Nonverbal communication is key. We express so much without words. Body language and facial expressions tell stories of their own. And dreams? They hold meaning beyond the bizarre images. They reflect our subconscious thoughts, fears, and desires. By understanding these insights, we learn more about ourselves. This knowledge helps us empathize and connect with others better. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Join our community by subscribing and stay updated with our latest videos. Your support means the world to us.